Welcome to Tant Factory. In today's video, we will take you through the complete testing and demonstration process of our 37-meter concrete pump truck. The Tant 37M concrete pump truck is designed for medium and high-rise concrete placement projects. The machine combines efficient pumping performance, flexible boom operation, and stable chassis integration. Its multi-section boom system provides wide placement coverage while maintaining smooth and accurate movement during operation. This allows the machine to adapt efficiently to complex job site environments. Boom performance is one of the most critical parts of a concrete pump truck. At the factory testing area, engineers perform repeated boom movement inspections, including unfolding, folding, slewing, and coordinated action testing. The purpose of these tests is to ensure operational stability, movement precision, and structural reliability under working conditions. A stable boom system directly affects construction safety and pumping efficiency on site. In addition to boom testing, the pumping system also undergoes strict inspection procedures. Engineers test hydraulic response speed, pumping pressure stability, pipeline operation, and continuous pumping performance. Our goal is to maintain smooth concrete delivery while reducing the risk of pipeline blockage during long working hours. Reliable pumping performance is essential for improving construction efficiency and reducing downtime on site. Thank you for watching today's factory testing and demonstration video. If you would like to learn more about Tant concrete pump trucks, technical specifications, or overseas delivery solutions, feel free to contact our team anytime. We look forward to providing professional concrete pumping solutions for your future projects. See you in the next video. The 37 meters disc-type concrete mixer pump truck combines concrete mixing and pumping in one machine, improving working efficiency while reducing labor and equipment costs.